G'day champions, Dry July review time. Finally found it, the Guinness 0.0 Stout. I've heard very good things about this, hopefully it doesn't disappoint. So it's got the whizzer, whatever it's called, the widget. So listen. Oh, that's a long one. That seems longer than the alcoholic ones. I kind of got to drink this off. Oh, that's looking promising. Alright, gonna pour it. See if it's got the same creaminess as the Draught. It's got the cascade, see that? See it flowing down like a waterfall? While that's settling, I'll just extract the widget. Come here, widget. So it's like a little ping pong ball, and it's got a pinhole in it, and it's got nitrogen compressed in it. And when you open it, it helps form the frothy, creamy head. Who doesn't like a bit of frothy head? Let's have a taste, eh? Oh, it smells really good. It smells just like the real thing. Oh, that's not bad. It tastes a little bit more chocolatey, a little bit less. I'm trying to think of the word. So the original one has a real, almost like a smoky, charred sort of taste to it. The original one is actually pretty light. It's like 4.2%, I think, something like that. This one is 0.05. A lot of them are 0.5. But it's got not much sugar. I should probably start quoting the sugar on stuff because that's a consideration as well with what you want to drink. 3.1 grams of sugar per serving. 0.7%. So that's good. That's on the low side. A lot of them are like 5 or 6 grams per serving. So that's good to see considering it's a 440ml too. It's pretty low on sugar. It's got some in it, but that's really good. So I've got this slightly warmer than fridge temperature. It's about probably 7 or 8 degrees. In my opinion, that's about the temperature you want to drink this stuff at. That's really nice. I'm going to give that an 8.5 out of 10. So I finally found it. It was out of stock everywhere. I think these manufacturers have to be a bit more on the ball with Dry July. They don't stock up beforehand. I'm not sure that they know it's a thing. Some of the retail outlets seem to be a bit more on it than others. And this was from First Choice Liquor, so that was good. Dan Murphy's, or Booze Bunnings as I call it, has it on their website, but it's not available anywhere. So I don't know if there was a rush on it for a Dry July or what, but yeah, I couldn't find it in stock anywhere with Dan Murphy's. Apparently they were working on this stuff about a year ago, and they had an issue with it. It oxidized in the can, or something funky happened. They had to do a recall, and it took them like 12 months to make sure it was right. And this is pretty damn right. So I'm going to give that an 8.5 out of 10, champions. Comes in 4-packs. Get a 4-pack. Try it out if you're into the darker beers. It's good in winter. I prefer the darker beers, the stouts, the porters in the cooler weather, especially with the shitty rain we've been having. And it's like a nice cozy hug in the form of a beer that happens to be non-alcoholic. So I'll put the link for the donations right there now. So click that. Give me $20, $10, and I'll be eternally grateful. And I'll see you bloody tomorrow, champions. Until then.